What up, guys? 9 minutes till we start. Get the questions, tickets in. See you shortly. Bye. What up, everybody? We are going to start in 7 minutes. Like up the stream, put a question in, put a ticker in, and I will see you shortly. Peace. We have news in 5 minutes. Huge news that's going to move the market, so be careful. Do not take any trades now. Do not hold trades through that. You want to do that? You can gamble and blow your money away. We have CPI data and unemployment claims in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. See you later. We are starting very soon. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Get the questions and tickers in. We've had 2 people. We got 30 people in here. Turn on your sound so you can hear what I'm asking. Do it or I will leave forever. We have 1 minute until there is news out. We have 1 minute until there is news out. We will change to the SPY and watch the SPY react in 30 seconds. What is going to happen to the market? What do we think is going to happen? What do we think is going to happen? What do we think is going to happen? We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Whoosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Markets all over the place. Whoa, wow, woo, woo, woo. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we think is going to happen here, guys? SPY going to rally? Or is SPY going to tank? My bet is we tank. Watching it right now. Yeah, it's pushing. What was the data? Let's have a look. Just waiting on the data here. Hopefully the data is red, 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 red. No, 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 no. That is not what we want to see. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second. Just trying to sort something out. Let me go get some water and I'll be back in 1 minute. All right, get the questions and tickers in. I'll see you shortly. All right, I'm back. Right, when to enter RSLS? Give me a sec. Let me go through everyone here, okay? News is not good, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's fine because we can trade in any market. I went to bed as soon as the tariff news went out and I saw the market rally incredibly. KTTA gone insane. Wow. KTTA just took off. Can't really trade this right now. Discord members, if you're in the Discord, use the candlestick strategy. Make sure to use it to your advantage. It is the best strategy in the world. There is nothing better. It's never lost, ever. Right. Okay. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Let me just retweet the link. Can you guys also retweet it for me? It would be greatly appreciated for those who have a Twitter account and do it. We are live on YouTube now. Link. Right, we are live. What has everybody got planned this weekend? I know it is only Thursday, but here in Dubai, Thursday is a weekend. People do not work on Fridays here. They're lazy. No, I'm only kidding, but you know how Thursday is. It's the Masters. I want to hear, even if you don't play golf, who do you think is going to win the Masters? Who do you think is going to win the Masters? Let's see. What do you guys think? All right, good morning. Let's like up a stream. Let's get the questions tickers in. All right. Okay, let's see. Good morning. GLMD, does it have volume? GLMD, does it have volume? Let's look. GLMD went straight up, back down. I wouldn't enter this unless you get above the highest high, which is 188 today. So 188 break, maybe yes. Right now, I wouldn't touch it. It's down 2%. GLMD needs 188 break. So right now, just leave it. Just leave it. Good morning. Good morning, Connor. What up, bro? How are you enjoying the Discord? Connor just joined Monday, I think, or last week. I can't remember. Wheeler is in demand zone. This is a huge level here. It has to hold. If it doesn't, it will come down, and then we'll have to wait for it later today to trade. Wheeler needs to hold demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in. What happens when buyers step in? The price goes up. When sellers step in, the price goes down. That's kind of how it works. Wheeler or HYFM, I will do both for you because it's Thursday. No entries unless VWAP. This needs to get over VWAP. Above VWAP is your entry point. Do not try and enter now. It's high risk. It's just consolidating below VWAP. It's difficult to trade. I personally would wait for market open to try and look for entries on this. If it holds $2, which is a huge psychological support, if it holds this, possibly will reverse, and pretty big reverse. Needs to hold $2 into open. How many of you guys are taking these option plays? I'm giving so many great option plays and everyone's making serious moolah. Making serious moolah. Right, good morning. Yes, get the question in. Morning, morning, morning. Thoughts on ELAB? ELAB is here, 20%. For me, nothing. It's not doing anything right now. 563 above. I think it'll be good. 563 above. 563 and above. Okay, let's go. Slow morning. Yeah, it is kind of slowish, to be honest. STSS, I'm not going to be trading these stocks. I won't be posting them much, to be honest, on my Twitter because I don't trade these 2-cent stocks. I don't even trade stocks under $1, but especially something that's 2 cents, guys. Very high risk with this. I don't know. I'm just not really a fan. If I was to take a trade, I would simply just wait for VWAP. That's all I would do on this. So STSS needs to close above VWAP. I will not be trading this. Whether it means anything to you guys or not, I'm just letting you know I will not be trading this. ICCT, yes, this is looking good. Excuse me. ICCT is looking good. Above 552. I think this could cook on high heat. High heat. Yes, looks good, you know. Looks good, you know. Okay, SCSS. Yeah, so above that 552. Actually, the major markets was day trading. Yeah, it was insane. 55%. Wow, I'm worried about FIG. He got an FMTO. I think he got out. Where to enter RSLS? Where to enter it? Above VWAP. If it's not above VWAP, then don't enter. If it's above VWAP, then you can enter. VWAP is right here. If you can get it above VWAP, then you can enter. GLMD, where to enter? GLMD, there's nothing. Nothing unless VWAP. Mr. Wim, son of Waziri. Can you please read what I've posted? I said needs to break above 188. That means you are looking for entries above 188. Okay, what up, Totes? What up, watching UFC? No chance. You need to turn on that Masters right now. Tiger Woods ain't playing. Tiger's not playing. Boating in Florida this weekend. Beautiful weather. Nice. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Okay, Lucy. Lucy. Down 9%. Nothing on this. Nothing on Lucy, just avoid this play. Nothing. Leave Lucy. How do you determine demand zone? You can either join the Discord, and I'll show you very quickly. This is a very quick shortcut breakdown. Ready? Last red candle for the move to the upside. This is the last red candle for the move to the upside. This is your demand zone. That's it. So I'll show you another example. MBOT. Not very clear. You see this dots? Not very clear. Let's go to Wheeler. We've done that one. Let's go to ELAB. Don't really have it here on this. ICCT. We could probably use this level here, last red candle for the move to the upside. We could maybe use this small little candle. I don't like to do that, but I would say use this last red candle here for the move to the upside. Buy stepping around here, push up. But yeah, if you're in the Discord, I don't know if you are, Michael. We have a few Michaels in there, but if you are, there's a seminar on it in the Discord. BCLI. What is happening with BCLI? Down 11%. Leave it alone. Nothing. I know it just had news, but personally, I would just stay away right now. High risk right now. Stay away right now. Lucy. BCLI. Yeah, just leave that one. KTTA. I'll give you the key levels for it because I know people are trading this and watching it. KTTA is going here. So KTTA break out of this. So I go the 4 hour. 4 hours here. And then here you can see bottom left, top left. Now I'll zoom out of the chart and I'll see, okay, where are the key levels? Let's look left, left, left. Where are the big moves? We've had a big move to downside right here. This is not the best way to do it. It's not the worst way to do it. It's up to people wherever they want to trade. They do. Okay, this is what I like to use. I like to use the 4 hour. It gives me a good indication of where the next key levels are. So now I know that on the 4 hour time frame, these are the key levels. So now what I can do is, since I trade on the 5 minute, I will go to the 5 minute, back to the 5 minute. Now what we see is this. Now we see that it's coming down. We don't care. Who cares? Whatever. It doesn't matter. If I'm looking for an entry on this, it would be above $2.60. Then we know 222, 288, and then 385 are your next key levels. They're not targets. You do not hold for those levels. All right. Next entries above 216. All right, above 216 looks good. Anything below, don't care. Okay, BCLI, KTA, Sun, Kirna are all up, but long wick on top wick. Yeah, probably because of what the news just came out. So that's why it got a very, very volatile move. Where to enter Nvidia? I have no idea. I don't know. I don't trade large caps, all this stuff. Gave it to you guys here for option plays. I said take calls above here. Now I'll have to update this play, but I will wait till open. So what I suggest is you can do puts below here. What's this? 104. Puts below 104. Calls above here. What is this level? 115.5. No, sorry, 116.5. These are your levels. So this is your options. If you do options, these are your levels. So here we go. Option. What's this? Nvidia option setup. All right. Calls above 116.50. Puts below 114. Now we get the siren there. It. Everybody can save this. Second. What I write, like how to write second setup. New setup. All right, you guys got that? Everybody see? I go options. My option gurus. So next week we're gonna open up an options alert section as well. Gonna be giving 2 or 3 setups a day on options in the Discord. There's your Nvidia setup. All right. So you can watch those levels, save it, screenshot, or whatever you need to do to have the same as me. Okay, let's see what up. SAUN, QBTS, yes. BIO, guys, let's get the questions in. Get the tickets in. Let's get it go. Let's go. Let's go. BIO, nothing on this. This is extremely low volume. Oh, it's a large cap. Yeah, for me, nothing. I don't really know how to trade this. If I was to base on technicals, maybe above 261, I would take long, or like I would take a swing trade above here. Right now, it's trying to push up, but nothing yet. Guys, I understand that these options are way above and way below, but I'm giving you the highest probability setup. If it breaks above that, you take the trade. If it breaks below, you take the trade. That's it. All right. If it doesn't get there today, then you wait for the next day. If it doesn't get there the next day, you wait the next day, and so on, so on, so on, so on. See what I'm trying to do here? Quick. Every chart looks like a breakout from a downtrend. Yeah. Let me look at the SPY. I didn't actually look at what happened yesterday, like how it reacted. SPY weekly. I'll give you some SPY calls if you want. SPY setup. Who thinks will win Masters? I don't know. You want to hear who I put? I'll show you guys. So I put my roster on the Masters website. I went a bit random. I did Hideki Matsuyama, Scotty Scheffler, Rory, Thomas Dietrich, Ludwig Adberg. Very weird, I know. I just went very random. I didn't even think about it. Tiger's not playing, is he? I'm pretty sure Tiger's not playing. I'm pretty sure Tiger's not playing in the Masters. Five. 539.7. Yes, that's the level. Right, here's your SPY option set up. Right, here's another option set up. So you guys can just save these, all right? Let me just get these levels up. Man, I hate how this works. SPY option setup. Calls above, puts below. 529.50. 539.70. Right, here we go. You guys got it? Okay, so there's your setup for SPY option setup. It's great, just save those. I'll just save them as well. Bookmark it. Bookmark, bookmark. Okay. Where turns that video? Who do you think's the one? Yeah, when you buy the options, do you buy both? No, you do not buy both. If it breaks above, you take options. Which ones you take, it's up to you. You decide. I don't trade options, so I don't go into depth about it, but I'm just giving you key levels for those who do trade options. But I'll probably do weeklies, not expiring tomorrow. That's silly. But I know some people do. Up to you guys though. I'm just giving you key levels, what you can decide from there. I'm not going to go into much depth because I don't trade options. Oh, that was Joe. All right. You are the tiger. I am. Hi. For swing, should I set a 3% or 5%? If you're swing trading, I would have a larger stop loss because you're holding it for a longer period of time and the time frame plays on, normally is volatile. I recommend have a 10% stop loss, 10% target, 1-to-1, or you could have a 7% stop loss, 14% target. Up to you. RSLS, yeah, RSL is looking very good. Unfortunately, I won't be able to trade it unless it gets over $1. RSLS looks good. Check this out. You want to see a funky bullish pennant? This holds right here. Check this. Yeah, Wheeler's not good. So yeah, I'll be giving some option setups for you guys. You guys decide what you want to do with them, all right? PRFX just popped. Let me have a look. PRFX. Okay, PRFX did pop, came straight down. It ran up how much? Ran up 80%, came down, straight down again. So no bueno. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Right, let me look at this. Popped and dumped. Yeah, I know exactly. Like, this is something that I don't like to trade. This is exactly what I don't like to trade. Like, look at, say, HYFM, for example, right? It ran up and then it's been consolidating. Hasn't dumped. Wheeler, yeah, Wheeler's below demand zone. So now it's coming down. This is your new demand zone around here. Like, ELAB came straight up. It's okay. It's just ranging. But something that has, like, see, like, this is okay. This is good. Making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. But shit, 104, 104. 104. I need to edit that 104. Sorry guys with that one. Sorry. Not 114. What an idiot. I updated it. I like option setups. Yeah, I mean, people who trade it, they can take if they want. Love earnings today. What is that? What's that? Love Tinder? Love Sack. Oh, Love Sack's the things. They still do well. I feel like it was just a hype on them, then they trash. People anyone have these Love Sacks? They were like so over when they're like $600 or something stupid. A lot of people are liking these option setups. It's good. Maybe wake up the FinTwit community, shake up the option players a bit. I like the option setups. Yes, ELAB moving, nice. Where is it moving to? Down? ELAB's moving down. All these players are nuts. Yeah, can IBO go to $2? I'm in at 102. IBO. Let's look at IBO. So you're saying it's going to go 100%. I don't know if it's going to go 100%. There is no volume on IBO. So you're down 50% on IBO right now. Where was your stop loss on this trade? Where was the stop loss? Where was it? Where was it, my friend? Where was it? KTTA. KTTA needs to break 216. I mentioned it, and this is the last time I'll tell you. Above 216, you can look for entries. ICCT moving. Yeah, ICCT looks good for today. Looks great. We're going to watch this today. ICCT probably will hold. I'm not even kidding. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing holds. Because it is crazy right now. Bagged. Yeah, QQM. Where's the stop loss, my friend? I hope you start to learn to use that thing because it's extremely important. Really, it is. What else? Where's these? Is there any other top movers? Am I missing some plays apart from like not these AEHL? Someone told me about that one. Sorry. AHL down 30%. Never mind. Never mind. False alarm. Oh, sorry. I'm in the wrong play. Pre-market. Here we go. Pre-market. Wheeler, Cato, FTVC. Yeah, there's nothing really moving too much. Too much. Wheeler's seat. Now look, I want everybody to understand this real quick, okay? Listen to this very carefully. We can all understand and base our technical analysis on this very easily. On the 5-minute time frame, this is going down. We can see a lot of red. This indicates what? Sellers are in control. Here, sellers are in strong control. They are pushing this all the way down. You are never, ever, 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 right? I'll exaggerate it again. Ever, ever, ever going to buy a stock when it is going down like this. Why are you going to do it? That is stupidity. That is just utter nonsense. If you are going to try and take a trade that is going down like this, you are fighting the trend. You are trying to buy the bottom to expect it to go up. That is not smart. That is not how you trade. That is extremely, extremely stupid if you do that. All right, I don't care what magical indicator you have that will tell you this will go up, but it is bearish. It is going down. It is below VWAP. Sellers are in control. Look at these large red candles. This is everything is indicating that this will go down. All right, that should be clear for you now. So all you have to do is wait for the trend to break. We can use this downtrend here, or we can use this trend here if we want to. Let's update it a bit. Maybe here we can use that downtrend. If the candle closes above the downtrend, then you can look for an entry. You are not going to be buying now. If it closes above this downtrend, this indicates what? That there is a breakout. It means that the trend is now going from a downtrend to an uptrend. So if we get a candle body that closes above this, right? Like that, if the candle body closes above, then we expect it to go up. If the candle body does not close above, like it's done once, twice, rejected, then you don't take the trade. However, I still, regardless if this closes above here, right? Let's say the candle closes above here. I personally don't take the trade because we are below VWAP. I only trade stocks above VWAP. If a stock is above VWAP, there is a higher probability it will go up. As simple as that. That is the easiest breakdown I can tell you. That is worth $1 billion what I just taught you. People sell their courses and whatever about that. I've just told you that for free. Learn it, rewind this stream, and you can learn what I just said. All right? So you normally work for 5 minutes and you play unless you pan on. I go larger time frame, 4 hours to look at key levels. So I go on the 4 hour, let's look at Wheeler. I go to the 4 hour and I see, okay, where are the key levels? Where has it rejected the most and come down? So I know that these are key levels. So I have like here, probably around here, there's been a rejection. So I'll use 780. Another level is probably around here, maybe 655, right? And then, yeah, that's about it. Now I know maybe support here, but I don't use support levels. I don't care. I can see that already. So this is what I have. Now go to the 5 minute and see, okay, what's happening? Maybe if it comes down into this level here, which is the demand zone, last red candle for the move, right? The zone is possibly where buyers will step in and push the price up. Now this is probably a safer entry, right, than trying to enter now. So whoever was trying to enter here, okay, whoever was trying to enter here is now going down. Now they're freaking out and they don't know what to do. I know there's at least 2 people in the stream right now who are in this, holding this, hoping it will go up, and they probably bought more and they're going to keep buying more to hope it will go up. For the sake of it, I hope it does go up, but this, do not ever do that again. Use a stop loss, and if you cannot use a stop loss, do not trade at all. All right? Very simple, very basic things to understand. You need to understand that. Use VWAP. It is extremely important. That's the biggest tip I can give you. Use VWAP. Use VWAP. $1 billion. Yes, you're correct. It's actually $2 billion worth. ELAB, nothing on this trash. Strong top wick down. Strong top wick down. Candlesticks. Discord members, no. You know what to do in this. No. Guys, for the option gurus. TOPW. Let's have a look at TOPW. Mr. J.M. Legia. I do not like this. Unfortunately, my friend, I really do not like this. I do not like this at all. Maybe above 390. $319. What is this? TOPW needs 319 break. Yeah, so look, this one right now, right? This is another example. Look how bearish this is. Okay, compare this to something like Wheeler, not Wheeler, sorry, like ICCT. Look at ICCT's 4 hour, right? We're going up. And that one there was TOPW, look, straight down. Same as SUNE. Look, I don't care that this thing is up 32%, 33%. Look at it. I don't care if there's a high probability it can reverse and go crazy and all those things. I don't trade like that. I don't buy a stock because it's down so much that it'll go up. That's not the way to trade. Most of the times, 99% of the time, you will never win like that. It's not the way to trade at all. All right? So stop trying to buy these stocks that are 2 cents because you can buy more and make profit. No, that's not the way. Learn how to trade properly. Get the technicals in, understand that, and then you can take your trade. No one in the Discord would trade this. Why? Because they understand that the stock has no reason to enter. Where we would rather focus on something like, well, what can we look at here? Let's see, like RSLS, right? This is maybe a possibility because this is a good chart. It gives us a high probability. Yes, we are below VWAP, but what? We're up 90%. We have high volume. We are trending to the upside. There's a possibility. Now, if I was to take this compared to SUNE, I'm probably going to win on this compared to SUNE. Why? Simply because it has volume, uptrend, all those things. All right. So trade the trend. This is a bullish chart. All right. Yes, it's come down, but look, we've broken out of a resistance here. Don't backhold. Yes. Do never let your green. Yes. That's what I say to everyone. MLGO since it's Chinese stock. MLGO. Yeah, this is a good possible play. Like, because this thing has had what? We know that this has ran crazy before. Now what's happening is it's consolidating right on here. Then hopefully it breaks up, then goes like this. That's what we want to happen, right? Because we've ran up, we've had a nice little run up. Now we're consolidating, right? If we can break this 2387, it looks good. Consolidating for next big move. Keep a damn stop loss. Keep a damn NXPL. What's happening NXPL? NXPL in this. Guys, this is the only link here. No other link. Do not listen to anything else on Twitter than this. This is the link. It's a WAP link. NXPL, nothing on this. Nothing, 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 nothing. Below VWAP. NXPL below VWAP. Yep. So right now, just leave it. KTTA. I forgot to add this one on my watch list again. All right, guys. I'm going to go through my watch list and then I'm going to be done. All right. So we have KTTA looking good, looking good, looking good. We'll watch this into open. Over $1. Yes, very nice. ICCT. We like this one. It has a former runner, possible runner again today. I think it will continue. ELAB, I'm not really interested. I'm going to move it off my watch list. Wheeler, we'll see if it comes down to here for possible entries. HYFM doesn't look too great, but it needs to hold $2. RSLS is looking good. We'll see if it can hold. And that's about it. I don't have anything else on my watch list. I don't care about SUNE and I don't care about STSS. Whether they run to $5,000 or not, I don't care. Sticking to what I know and how I trade is that I don't trade those. All right. Let me add PRFX as well to the watch list as well. So this is looking good. If you want to take some lotto entries here, you could try if you want to. Yeah, stop loss below the candle, like 240. Okay. Have a great day, guys. I've got to sort out some things in the Discord for some members. So have a great day and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.